Welcome to Central Gov Strategy TV. Today I've got with me Rhys Sharp, who is the Chief Technical Officer at SCC. Welcome, Rhys.
Hello.
The government strategy is for 50% of its spend to be within the cloud by 2015. What is SCC doing to help it achieve that?
So we've developed a cloud platform for delivery only to the government sector. So that's anybody from central government to local government and health. The platform is an infrastructure as a service platform in cloud speak, and that will allow organisations to move their systems into the cloud. Over time, we'll develop more software services that will come into there through the ecosystem of partners that we already have that already deliver government-specific applications.
So could you give some examples of how you're helping government departments to do things differently?
Sure. The cloud strategy and the cloud platform that we have allows government to consume IT systems in a pay-as-you-go model. So they only pay for what they actually use, and this can significantly reduce costs in many cases. At the same time, it's delivering greater flexibility. So the speed at which a system can be deployed is sort of hours, minutes and hours, rather than days, weeks, or even months. So the agility of the system is excellent. At the same time, we have to be concerned about the information assurance and governance levels that are required. And because our platform will be pan-government accredited, our customers can be assured that we've jumped through all the right hoops to make sure that we can deliver the right level of information assurance around the data that we're holding.
And can you give a specific example of something that SCC has put in, a particular product or a department that you've been working with, and with the benefits, so a tangible illustration of your product?
We've done work with a couple of customers more recently. Those customers are on their way, so we haven't done full benefits realisation yet. But what we do see from the business cases that we put together is that we are seeing a significant cost reduction in terms of using systems more efficiently. So they could be, in certain cases, anywhere between 30 and 50% reduction in terms of the cost of use and operation. But at the same time, when we look at software coming into our environment, we can see that the cost of accrediting a piece of software or getting the right information assurance around it means that we can remove up to 70% of the cost of getting that application to the right governance level.
And can you summarise the kind of key benefits then of using the cloud? It's in line with the government strategy, but what are the key benefits?
So from our perspective, we're a UK-based company with a UK data centre paying UK taxes. From that perspective, we do look quite attractive to government. We have a long track record of enabling the SME community to come and use or to transact with government, which is clearly on the agenda from that perspective. But I think the key benefits are the cost savings that can be achieved, the flexibility that's afforded to those that are consuming cloud. And there are some side benefits as well, such as reduced carbon footprint. The fact that the systems are no longer in your own data centre and they're in our data centre means that you've eliminated that power consumption from your own data centre. But at the same time, because we run an extremely green data centre, it means that you know that it's in a place where that's highly efficient from that perspective as well. And that's only going to play out in the long term as energy costs increase. So there are a number of benefits which play out across the piece with each customer. Some are more beneficial than others when we talk to our customers. But we like to have that in-depth conversation to understand really where their pain points are, and whether the cloud addresses those or not. This is an exciting time to be in IT at the moment. I think the cloud brings with it a complete shift in how we're going to be thinking about the provision of IT moving forward. We're going to see a large amount of consolidation in the marketplace, but it's a very exciting future in terms of not only the cost of running IT and the cost of running complex systems, but also our ability to make an impact to the citizen. These systems will allow us to get closer to the citizens and deliver extra benefits that we haven't even thought about yet.
Rhys Sharp, thank you very much indeed for your time.
Thank you.